Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate a random IMEI number of your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion using IMEI.info page. Alright, so let's begin. So, in here, in this bar, we need to type our IMEI number of our phone. If you don't know how to check this IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you this whole page and all possible checking options of the Motorola, and there also I'm showing you how to check the IMEI number. Okay, so once we have typed the IMEI number, we need to click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down a little bit to the bottom until we find the basic checks free. And as you can see, the third option from the top is IMEI generator. Okay, and now click on this blue button, generate random IMEI. Okay, and now as you can see, we have 10 random IMEIs for this phone and this model. We can copy each one of them by clicking right in here, but also if you want, you can copy all of them by clicking right in here. And below, if you click on this blue button, you can generate IMEIs for other brands. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.